Hey, get ready with me. I'm off next week to Algonquin Park to raise money for Reserva Youth Land Trust to save an adorable species of monkey, and there are only 500 left in the whole world. I'm portaging 101 kilometers, and here's what I'm bringing with me. My headlamp, sunscreen, bug spray, my hat, go Jays, my bug hat, because oh gosh, the bugs are gonna be really bad, my favorite paddle, my new book, Dungeon Crawler Carl, cookies, and marshmallows. Check the comments to see what else I'm bringing for interior camping, and let me know if I'm forgetting anything. And please click the link below to save the TT monkey. Thanks, bye!